In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your Venmo payment has returned to sender. So what we can do in this case is let's head over right here into this thread. As you can see, this person also have the same option. As you can see, they got this request wherein it looks legit. The person wrongfully sent them the actual payment, and in here they have some options to actually get it via requesting the money back. So actually claim that they sent the money incorrectly, so they are requesting it back right there and return it to sender. So when you actually encounter this something like this is actually a common scam. They send you money from a stolen account wherein they will ask for it using their actual option. So what we can do right here is what you can do is go over and then tell them to request the reversal on the end of your actual Venmo. So stay vigilant and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.